beautiful people. So I'm still in the jubilation mood, hey? I told you before Christmas that me, jubilation, celebrations, it makes me like a baby. Anyway, Happy New Year. How has your New Year been? Welcome to Anibetti's Kitchen. This is your food and nutrition chef, Esther Ajima. Happy New Year. So today, we are going to talk about garlic. It's New Year. I hope your New Year resolution is going well, yeah? I hope so. And so let's take control of our health, because remember, I always say 2021, it hasn't changed. Your health is your wealth. Let your food be your only medicine. So Hippocrates, the father of Western medicine, said, let your food be your medicine and your medicine your food. That starts in 2021 with garlic. Garlic is so potent. It's got so many medicinal properties. It may help fight against colds and flu. It may lower your blood pressure. It may lower your cholesterol level, which is good for your heart. It's known as a genius food. It's good for the brain. Hence, it may help fight against Alzheimer's and dementia. And it boosts your immune system. It contains vitamin C, manganese, B6, helps fight against fatigue. And because it boosts your immune system, generally helps fight against so many illnesses and diseases. So today we are going to learn how to preserve your garlic. I've got so much because I normally use garlic in most of my savory dishes. And this is my leftover from Christmas, so I want to preserve it. And I'm going to share how I preserve my garlic with you today. This is smoked garlic, and it gives it a beautiful flavor. It's really beautiful. So I'm mixing them up. I'm going to dice some and I'll puree some. So now I'm just taking off the... So I've got 3 bulbs, and so it's about 4 bulbs of garlic. So I'm just peeling it, and quickly we'll puree some and dice some. So I'm going to dice a few, because sometimes the recipe will call for diced garlic, so I dice it and I puree some. So I'm going to dice these. All done now. And because it's dry, I'm adding avocado oil. You can add olive oil just to form as a binding agent, to bind it together. So just a bit to bind it. And now it goes into my ice cubes. So that if the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of diced garlic, you've got it. So I'm going to fill it all up. I'm going to blend the rest. I need to add a tiny bit of water just to make the puree and blend it. It's all done. I'm going to fill the rest of the cube. My ice cube container has got a cover. So I cover it to make it airtight so that the freezer doesn't absorb all the goodness, all the nutrients in it, or give it freezer burn. But if yours doesn't have a cover, you can use a cling film to make it airtight. So try it, people. So if my recipe or any recipe calls for diced garlic, ginger, I'll put the link for how to preserve your ginger in the description button. So it makes your life easy. Until I come your way again next week, remember, your health is your wealth. You are what you eat, and let your food be your fountain of youth.